Have you ever felt that no matter how hard you try, life seems to push you back? That every effort, every drop of sweat, every battle you fight, keeps you trapped in the same place? What if I told you, the real struggle isn't with the world outside, but with the world inside you? Most of us spend our lives chasing success, trying to conquer the world outside. We follow the advice of mentors, the promises of books, the steps of society. But often, these are walls built to keep us from looking deeper. Because real power, real transformation, starts when you face the truth about yourself. It starts when you realize the chains holding you back are not outside, they are inside: fear, doubt, regret, attachment. Fear of failure. Fear of judgment. Fear of being misunderstood. Regret over past mistakes, guilt over what you didn't do. Attachment to comfort, to people, to habits that keep you small. You can fight the world endlessly, yet remain a prisoner of your own mind. The question is, are you willing to break free? Discipline is the bridge between who you are, and who you want to become. Not motivation, not luck, not talent, discipline. Every morning you rise, every small action you take, is a vote for the person you will become tomorrow. Discipline is choosing discomfort over ease. It is embracing pain instead of running from it. Think about the warrior, the samurai, the monk. They understood one truth. Pain is the path. Resistance is the teacher. Each strike, each struggle, each moment of doubt, is an opportunity to forge strength, clarity, and courage. And yes, it's hard. It's supposed to be. Because the mind will scream, the body will rebel, and the world will try to distract you. But if you can endure, if you can keep moving when everything inside tells you to stop, then you awaken a power that cannot be touched from the outside. Your mind, it is like a garden. What you plant, you will grow. If you feed fear, doubt, and self-pity, that is what will bloom. If you plant courage, self-belief, and relentless focus, that is what will grow. The subconscious mind listens to your words, your thoughts, your habits. And it obeys. Every self-talk, every silent thought, every image you visualize becomes a command. So begin to speak to yourself differently. Not with weakness, not with excuses, but with unwavering authority. I am capable. I am relentless. I will rise. I will conquer. And do it daily. In the quiet hours, in the moments of doubt. Because transformation is not instant, it is invisible, it is slow, it is patient. But it is unstoppable when it takes root inside you. Strength is not only in action. It is also in stillness. The world glorifies noise, chaos, constant motion. But the wise know. Clarity, power, and resilience are born in silence. Be still. Observe your mind. Watch your thoughts as a warrior watches an opponent. Do not react immediately, do not give power to every impulse. Master your attention, and the world bends to you naturally. Because the one who can control themselves can navigate any storm, can face any adversary, can turn obstacles into opportunities, and pain into wisdom. So, what will you choose? To remain a prisoner of circumstance, a victim of your own mind? Or to rise, to fight, to transform, to become unstoppable. Start small. A single action today, one moment of courage, one thought of strength. And repeat it tomorrow. And the day after. Consistency will crush doubt. Discipline will defeat fear. And presence will reveal power you never imagined. Remember this, the world cannot give you what is already inside you. It cannot teach you what you are unwilling to face. The battle is within. And when you conquer yourself, nothing else can stand in your way. Rise. Start. Transform. And live as the master of your own mind.